And so for me, that really feels like it's mission accomplished.
That's great. Well, it's been such a joy to enter into the story. So well done, Chris Wirt and team. Well done, and thank you.
Thank you, David, so much for having me.
If there is hope, it's in your name, the only God with power to save, to guide our path, to light our way, our God who is the one who's worthy of all praise, to whom our broken hearts.
Dito nagtatapos ang pagsasahing papawid ng 702 DZAS, Agapay ng Sambayanan. Ang himpilang ito na hindi komersyal ay pag-aari at pinamamahalaan ng Far East Broadcasting Company Philippines. Ang DZAS ay may lisensya mula sa National Telecommunications Commission na may bilang DSD-0795-2017. Nagsasahing papawid ang DZAS araw-araw sa lakas na 50 kilowatts sa 702 kHz sa AM band mula alas 4:35 ng umaga hanggang alas 12 ng hating gabi. Ang mga studio nito ay nasa One Corporate Center, 46th floor, Doña Julia Vargas Avenue, corner Meralco Avenue, Ortigas Center, Pasig City. At ang transmitter naman ay nasa Bukawi, Bulacan. Ang 702 DZAS ay nasa ilalim ng pangangalagang teknikal ng mga FEBC personnel na lisensyado ng National Telecommunications Commission at ng Professional Regulation Commission. Electronics and Communications Engineer Joaquin Aliga Jr., ECE number 0011597. At First Class Radio Operators Elizalde Aramay, NTC number 17-1PNCR-268486. Eduardo Balyad, NTC number 97-1-PHN-19888. Rafael Barduquillo, NTC number 14-1PNCR-26670. George Cristobal, NTC number 16-1PNCR-26841. Raimundo Cristobal, NTC number 01-PHN-23193. At JVC Tabwa, NTC number 15-1PNCR-26813. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Ito ang 702 DZAS, Agapay ng Sambayanan. Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Republika ng Pilipinas.